We all perform. Athletes, dancers, workers, teachers, parents, business owners, employees. No matter who you are or what you do, nothing feels better than being at the top of your game. Zurvita Performance products get you there and keep you there. Plus, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Fuel. Get your pre-workout energy boost with this soft gel in a blood orange flavor. Zurvita Performance Fuel is made with game-changing ingredients. Carnosine beta-alanine, Nutri-Ingredients USA's Sports Ingredient of the Year, supports exercise duration, strength, and endurance. Asteryl astaxanthin supports endurance and muscle performance while promoting healthy blood flow and supporting muscle recovery. An Extra is a caffeine-free energy boost to improve alertness and focus. All these ingredients work together to give you the fuel you need for an explosive start. 2. H2O. Zurvita Performance H2O contains Energy Smart that provides an initial and long-lasting burst of energy without the sugar crash. It also contains a great source of hydration, coconut water powder, and it comes in a delicious Tropic Breeze flavor. Plus, it's only 3 carbs per serving. H2O helps prevent cramping and regulates metabolism through low glycemic, healthy carbohydrates, electrolytes, and vitamins. 3. Repair. A restorative drink mix made with cat's claw and prickly pear extract. Zurvita Performance Repair contributes to shorter muscle recovery time, helps reduce muscle soreness, and aids in reducing inflammation, while also promoting mobility and joint health. And its berry fusion flavor tastes great. Perform like a pro with the 3 easy steps of Zurvita Performance. Ask the person who sent you this video for more info.